Hi guys, today we have the Helix foundation. It's in queen size. I have assembled something very similar to it previously. What I love about it is that they're so easy to assemble and no tools required. I do have a adjustable bed, so of course the foundation is not compatible. Of course you cannot put it on your adjustable bed, but I just want to show you how to assemble it real quick. This is the way up because it has the staples on the bottom. And then they will lock. And now I'm going to test to see how sturdy this foundation is. Looks good to me, but I don't want to break it. So there's your Helix foundation to go with your Helix mattress, pillow. Especially that the foundation needs no tools. It's easy to just assemble and put together, and you're done. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.